Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the limited edition Spyderco Para 3, now available at knifecenter.com. The Para 3 was released back in 2016 and has been carrying on the legacy of Spyderco's Paramilitary family admirably as the literal little brother of the powerhouse Paramilitary 2. Now we have our hands on a limited edition variant of the Para 3, which we are extremely excited about as it's one of the best EDC knives that money can buy. You're still getting all the standard features, such as the 3-inch leaf-shaped blade with the iconic Spyderco Round Hole for deployment, a compression lock mechanism, and a 4-position clip. What makes this limited edition version of the Para 3 different is the materials. It sports a 52-100 high-carbon tool steel blade, which is a steel that's commonly used in aircraft bearings because of its ability to deal with high amounts of force in a small area. This makes for a very strong blade, however you'll want to stay on top of your maintenance to avoid rusting since it's not stainless. You also get a very sleek Peel-Ply carbon fiber handle, making for an exceptionally lightweight, aesthetically pleasing package and a very unique feeling in the hand. It feels exactly like textured G10 while still providing all the advantages you get with carbon fiber over G10. These materials combined with Spyderco's refined design make for a high-performance, lightweight EDC. If the carbon fiber handles and super tough blade steel sound appealing to you, but you want those things in a slightly bigger package, we also still have the limited edition version of the Paramilitary 2 in both a plain blade and combo edge version here at knifecenter.com. To get your hands on this limited edition Spyderco Para 3, click the link in the description below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. If you want to keep up with more of our knife-related content, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the original and largest online catalog of cutlery, knifecenter.com, and check back often for any deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.